Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly. The Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly is the lower house of the Andhra Pradesh Legislature. The Legislative Assembly consists of 175 members which are elected by adult universal suffrage under the first-past-the-post system. The duration of the Assembly is 5 years from the date appointed for its first meeting, unless it is decided to dissolve the Assembly sooner. The Legislative Assembly's main functions include legislation, overseeing of administration, passing the budget, and airing public grievances. The Assembly is bicameral and holds 3 sessions annually, one for budget, Monsoon and Winter. The Legislative Assembly took up residence in the interim Legislative Assembly building in Amaravati beginning in the 2016 budget session. The new building has systems for automatic speech translation and automatic vote recording. History. Designations and present members. The present Assembly is the 13th Legislative Assembly of Andhra Pradesh. Constituencies.